Okay, everyone. So we have the following question. Sorry about the background, but it says which expression represents the sum of 2x minus 5y and x plus y? So first thing we need to look at the keywords in order to figure out what to do with these two expressions. So the keyword is sum. So since we're talking about sum, that means that we're going to be adding, right? So just quickly indicate that we're going to be adding, right? We're going to be adding. So just make a little note of that. So I'm going to be adding the following. I'm going to be adding 2x minus 5y, 2x minus 5y, plus x plus y, right? So remember when we did our work on adding expressions? Adding expressions is literally combining like terms. So anytime we're adding expressions, the first thing you want to do is first you want to group the like terms. Group like terms together. Okay, so if we look at our two expressions that we're adding, we can see here that we have x terms and we have y terms. So I have a 2x and an x. So I'm just going to group the 2x and x together. 2x plus x. I'm going to group together, right? So I'm putting 2x plus x because the x is positive. And then I also have negative 5y and a plus y, right? So I have my negative 5y and I'm going to put plus y because that y is positive, okay? So that's my step one. I'm just grouping them. Now, my step two is going to be to combine them. So combine the like terms, okay? So since we're adding, the first set is going to be 2x plus x. Right? Remember what Miss TJ had reminded us a while back? Anytime you don't see a number in front, that coefficient, the number multiplied by the x in this case, is always a 1. So if you want to put that 1 in, guys, by all means do so. Okay, so this is 2x plus 1x, and then we have plus. Now we're going to look at the negative 5y, plus y. But keep in mind, just like we did for the x, anytime you don't see a number in front of the variable, the coefficient is always 1. Okay? So when I combine the like terms, I have 2x plus 1x, which is just 3x. Plus, now I have my negative 5y plus 1y. Okay? So think of this, guys, as money. Let's say that I owe you $5, right? So the minus represents me owing you money. But let's say I gave you back $1. How much money do I still owe you? $4. So this is going to be a negative 4y. So that negative represents me still owing you $4. Okay, so that's not a 1, that's a parentheses. But anytime you're adding a negative number, it's the same thing as just saying minus. So I could just rewrite this as 3x minus 4y. Okay, so my final answer would be choice A, 3x minus 4y.